How to create Moonton account in Mobile Legends. So if you want to create a Moonton account in your Mobile Legends, then first you need to open up your Mobile Legends application and follow the steps. Once you open your Mobile Legends, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has your profile option. Tap on profile. Once you tap on profile, now you need to go with the account option, which is on the bottom left. Once you go with account, now here on the top, you will have Moonton account. And on the right side of it, you will have tap to connect. Tap on tap to connect, and it will take you to the quick email registration. So from here, you can create your Moonton account. So on the first blank, you need to enter your email address, a valid email address. And then on the next, you need to enter the password. And on the bottom, again, you need to confirm your password. So make sure to enter the password as per the requirements. And once you enter the password, you just need to simply go with the submit button, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on submit, a verification email will be sent to your email address. You just need to simply click on the link that has been included in the email and you need to complete the verification. So you just need to simply open up your Gmail app, and once you open up your Gmail, you will get the Moonton account mail on your Gmail. So simply open up that mail and tap on activate now option. Once you tap on activate now, or once you tap on the link, then you will be able to activate your account, and in this way you will be able to create your Moonton account in your Mobile Legends. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.